Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to teach you how to make a network cable. So we're going to just go right into it right away. As they say, you know, measure twice, cut once, same thing. And what I like to do is I like to use my pointer finger here and keep the wires nice and straight and together. So I use my thumb and my pointer finger on my left hand like so. So orange stripe orange, green stripe blue, orange stripe orange, green stripe blue, blue stripe green, and then brown stripe brown. Now we're going to do this and make sure that everything is perfect. So we're kind of pulling it and tugging it stuff and making it perfect, because we're going to cut right here like so, right across. Okay, and we want to make sure this is still perfect as it looks like it is. Orange stripe orange, green stripe blue, blue stripe green, brown stripe brown. All right, so then we take the connector ever so carefully and slide it in. And we verify again. Orange stripe orange, green stripe blue. We're looking inside the connector before we crimp it down. Orange stripe orange, green stripe blue, blue stripe green, brown stripe brown. We're good. We'll take our crimper, slide it in like so, and crimp it down. Now it's very important that you notice that the insulation is actually underneath the part that gets crimped, because you don't want bare wires sticking out. This is crucial to making a high quality cable. Okay, now we're going to use a very cool tool that verifies connectivity. This is the terminator part here. We'll stick this here like so. This is a Fluke micro scanner. This will check the length if it's accurate enough, and if we screwed up, which we did not. So everything is perfect. Very good. So this is how you make an RJ45 cable. This happens to be a little tiny one. It's a little pigtail, but that's it. And you can clearly see the quality of these cables. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,